What's up, homie?
You single?
What?
You single?
I mean, I'm saying.
Not for me. I got my grandma. She wants your number.
You crazy, bro.
Nah, I'm not even lying.
Stop it.
Why would I lie, bro? I'm trying to set you up.
You crazy, dog.
Come on, bro.
Hey, look at this over here. You crazy,
Yeah, I'm
bro.
matchmaking for you, bro.
Bro, what you got, man?
I got your best interest in mind.
Get off that meth.
We're not even. Nah, we're not on that. I know you want to get on my grandma though. Come on, bro. Let's go do it.
Hell no. Hey,
What's
look
up?
at this guy. Hell no, bro. Break her back and I give her a heart attack.
No, nah, not my grandma, bro.